Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Movado to be honored at the Irama with a special Lifetime Achievement Award. In a statement, organizers said that the Gully God will be recognized for his unmistakable voice, cultural impact, and undeniable contribution to the evolution of dancehall. Movado has consistently elevated the genre while inspiring a new generation of artists worldwide. Now, this award acknowledges not only his musical excellence, but also his influence as a trailblazer who has carried dancehall to global heights. The 43rd International Reggae and World Music Awards Irama returns on May 17 at the Lauderhill Performing Arts Center in South Florida, celebrating the best in reggae and dancehall. Protégés, The Art of Acceptance soared to #1 on the iTunes Reggae Albums chart.
Just grateful and give thanks and on to the next day, you understand it?
The 13-track project, which was released last Friday, marks Diggy's 7th studio album and boasts collaborations with Stephen and Junior Gong Marley, Massacre, Shensia, Pressure Busspipe, and Jesse Royal. Good job. Now, on the international scene, a New York Supreme Court judge has thrown out Sean Diddy Combs' defamation lawsuit over a Peacock documentary. The judge wrote the lawsuit fails to establish that NBC Universal was grossly irresponsible in publishing the 2025 doc, Diddy, The Making of a Bad Boy. The judge added the documentary's producers contacted Combs for comment and included his attorney's denial that the rapper sexually assaulted anyone. Combs was sentenced to 4 years in prison after being found guilty last summer to 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution. He is appealing the conviction. Now, a medical examiner's report reveals that the teenage girl who indie pop musician David is charged with dismembering died of multiple penetrating injuries. In the report, Los Angeles County Medical Examiner said they found 2 penetrating wounds to the torso and dismemberment of the upper and lower extremities. Now, penetrating trauma is an injury caused by a foreign object piercing the skin, which damages the underlying tissues and results in an open wound. The most common such cases are gunshots, explosive devices, and stab wounds. Now, according to reports, the dismembered body of Celeste Rivas Hernand was discovered in September inside a zippered bag stuffed in the trunk of a Tesla registered to David. A second bag of remains was also found in the trunk. David pleaded not guilty to first-degree murder and other charges on Monday. The same day, the judge in the case ordered that the autopsy report be made public. Now, Spotify is marking the 20th anniversary by revealing music its users have streamed the most. The artist in the top spot is, get it right, Taylor Swift. Now, Bad Bunny takes a second place in that category, but is #1 with an album. The Weeknd's Blinding Lights takes the win for the most streamed song. Now, in a non-music category, the Joe Rogan Experience is the top podcast, while the most popular audiobook is A Court of Thorns and Roses by Sarah J. Maas. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.